Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a prepoo with Amla powder. It's been a little over 3 months since I did my last one. I did it just before I put in my braids. Now, I just finished taking out those mini braids that I showed you in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, click the link above. So my hair needs to be washed now, but I figured I wanted to do a good prepoo treatment just to kind of reset my hair. I washed my hair about 2 times with the braids in. I was gonna do a whole video showing you how I remove them and what they look like towards the end, but I just didn't have the time. So this is what my hair looks like. I finished taking the last, I hope that I took them all out. I really want to incorporate more Ayurvedic herbs into my regimen this year. It's really good for my hair. It has a lot of benefits. I'll list them off in a second. I love the way Amla makes my hair feel. It conditions, it softens, everything. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you how I did that. I wanted to show you how I prepare it and how I apply it and basically what it does to my hair. So if you're interested in seeing what my hair looks like, then stay tuned. So this is the Amla powder that I'm using today. It's by Nurani. It's 100% natural. Like I said, I love Amla powder, aka Indian gooseberry, among other names that it's called. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that helps to increase hair growth and strengthens the follicles. It's a natural hair conditioner. It helps to reduce dandruff, add shine, helps to reduce grays, helps to thicken the hair, helps to cleanse the scalp, and also helps to control frizz. Normally when I do DIY treatments, whether it be clay or the Amla, I don't use exact measurements, I just kind of eyeball it, and I pretty much do that until I get the consistency that I like. So as you can see here, I'm just adding water as I go. I'm using filtered water, and again, I just mix it until I get the consistency that I like. And to finish off my mixture, I'm going to add my DIY fenugreek oil. Now again, I don't do exact measurements, but what I'm using is probably around a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half. And then it's ready to use. So we're ready. This is what my hair looks like now. It's really thick. I love the way the thickness of my hair right now. Looking good. I'm gonna put on some gloves because it can get a little messy. So if you're ever gonna do this, make sure you have a few towels around. It's probably better to do it in the bathroom, maybe in the shower, so it's just easier to rinse out everything. But for the purposes of this video, I wanted to do it out here. Before I apply the Amla treatment, I wet my hair with warm water. This helps to open up the cuticles to allow the hair to accept all the nutrients and all the vitamins that this prepoo has to offer. And after wetting my hair, I put my hair into workable sections and then I begin. In order to ensure that your scalp, your hair, everything gets every part of the treatment that you're using, whether it's this, Amla, prepoo, clay wash, deep conditioning, any type of mask that you use on your hair, it's best to work in smaller sections so that you get your hair, your scalp, and you use less product. Once I feel like I've thoroughly coated the section, worked it into my scalp, I detangle. So I kind of miscalculated how much I needed. I have a little bit more hair now than I did the last time I did this, so the batch that I made, only for one side of my head. So I'm gonna go mix some more and then I'll be back. Once I've completed putting all the mixture in my head, I give my head a good massage. I do this because, like I said, Amla is great for the scalp. It helps with dandruff, helps with itching, helps to stimulate the follicles. So I do that for at least a couple of minutes, and then I'm good to go. So now that I'm all done applying all the mixture, I used up all of the second batch that I made. So in future, I know now that I'm gonna need probably at least a box and a half to 2 boxes because I have a lot more hair now. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it in for about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna apply my shower cap. I'm not going to apply any heat. It doesn't recommend any heat. I'm just gonna let it sit, do what it's supposed to do, and then I'm gonna rinse. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like. It's already feeling fantastic. I gave my head a nice massage, made sure I moved everything around, hair and scalp, and that's it. This is how much shedding I got. It's not too bad actually, considering I had the braids in and didn't detangle my hair prior. I was quite happy with the amount of shedding I got this time. Quick look at my hair before rinsing. So this is after about an hour and a half-ish. And this is what my hair is looking like once it's rinsed out. My hair felt super, super soft, moisturized. So, like I said, I'm going to incorporate more Ayurvedic treatments into my regimen more often. I plan to do one of these treatments at least once a month, so stay tuned. I'll keep you updated to see how my hair is doing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and a notification bell. You know all that good stuff. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down below. And I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.